I can't watch it today.
5 years ago, Thanos erased half of the population of the universe.
What is this? Like, what the fuck is this? What is this eternal shit? Like, what is this movie?
The people of this planet brought everyone back with a snap of a finger. The sudden return of the population.
I don't even know what it is.
The necessary energy for the emergence to begin.
How long do we have?
7 days.
We're Eternals. We came here 7,000 years ago to protect humans from the deviants.
Why didn't you guys help fight Thanos? Or any war, or all the other terrible things throughout history?
We were instructed not to interfere in any human conflicts unless deviants are involved.
By who?
Oh, it's fucking.
We need to find the others.
Wait, isn't this guy literally fucking what's his face? Captain America's buddy with the one arm? Like, what has he got, an accent now? I don't get it. Bucky? No? Am I being racist towards white people again? I mean, dude, look at him, dude. What do you mean, dude? Look. Are you sure it's not Bucky? Okay. Dude, really, dude? You're gonna tell me that guy's not Bucky? Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm being so racist against white people, dude. That's the same guy, bro. That's literally the same person. That's the same guy. He just has an accent. It's like, oh, I'm fucking Bucky. Yeah, that's right. I'm Bucky. I'm Bucky. I'm Captain America's best friend. I have an accent now. But I'm still Bucky.
I haven't seen some of them for centuries.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh my god, Angelina Jolie, how does she still have it? Bro, she still got it, dude.
Hi.
Literally the sexiest grandma in the game, dude. That's crazy. How, like, oh my god, dude, I love her. Guys, I have to admit this. Like, it's just, you know, this is something I have to admit. Like, Tomb Raider changed. It was formative for me, okay? Grandma, her kids are like 15. Wait, she's only 16 years older than me? Wait, really? How old is she? Oh my god. She's only 46? Okay, never mind. I guess I have a chance now.
Hello.
This is what the end of the world looks like. At least we have front row seats.
You know what's never saved the planet? Your sarcasm.
Oh my God, I love him, dude. Dude, every single person that came out of Atlanta, they're so fucking good, dude. That's Paperboy. I can't believe that. He's all about that Paperboy.
We've loved these people since the day we arrived. When you love something, you protect it.
Would you deal with John Voight the banger? Would not be the first time I've had sex with someone whose father was a hyper-conservative dipshit. So the answer is yes. That sounded white as fuck. I said I did it on purpose.
You can't protect.
Dude, I can't. Like, dude, Kumail Nanjiani, like, I'm happy for him. You know what I mean? Like, look, it's always good to see Muslim dudes fucking killing it. You know what I mean? It's always good to see that shit. But also at the same time, like, he's just like, it's so strange to me, man. It's such a strange fucking thing to see. Like, the way he looks is so, God. It's a weird thing.
You can't protect. Any of them.
I don't know. So I don't really understand why like, I feel like this is not gonna pop off. You know what I mean? Also, this is a very funny image. Yes. Marvel's Eternals will address why they didn't help during Endgame. Like, what is this? A fucking Instagram call out post, dude? They're like, here's what you could do once you found out about Eternals existing. A thread. So you want to talk about Eternals existing? A thread. Wait, why is Kumail Nanjiani not in this? Why the Eternals never fought the Taliban? Why the Eternals spent the decade arming the Mujahideen and training them, leading up to the USSR invasion of Afghanistan. A thread. Ludwig edited the picture? Oh my God, stop it, dude. Yeah, I guess Kumail didn't have fucking enough clout, Ludwig. The Lud crop, dude. Did you see Kumail's transformation? Yeah, of course I saw it, dude. It's fucking nuts. Like, his face is... Okay, but no steroids. I want this all to be all me. We're going to suck up all the fat out of your face, render it into bars of soap. Like, I just don't understand how... I mean, when I see stuff like this, I low-key... I just, like, want to know what kind of fucking HGH they're taking. Because it's, like, not street level. You know what I mean? There's no way... There's just no way that that's just like a street level HGH. It's something entirely different. Oh my God. I totally forgot. Actually, this is a perfect fucking segue of a video I once sent myself on Twitter that I was intending on watching that I never ended up watching. Wait, where the fuck? Where is it? Oh my God, they deleted it. Or no, they didn't. Here it is.
Come on. This way.
Bing. Me, motherfucker.
All right, so that was my gym and my fridge.
Yeah. If you want to see that, it's on my Instagram, which didn't really get a lot of love. My latest Instagram post, which hurtful. Okay. Hurtful. It hurt my fifis. It only got like 65,000 likes. I don't know what the fuck's going on, dude. I fell off. The hood watches everyone else now. Don't look at my moles. I know. I also have fucking farmer's tan. LMAO, bro, you have titties on your back? Yeah, I got udders. Dude, that stuff doesn't work and it can occasionally have some serious side effects. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is, to be honest with you. I don't know if it was good or not. My sister liked that post. I thought you said you weren't going to do some stupid holistic medicine bullshit. Dude, I know. I know. Did you blow out your back again? Yes, I did. You photo dumped, homie? I always photo dump. What do you mean? Definitively, there's a way to gain at least 20 pounds of lean muscle without steroids, but it requires you to avoid the ads at the top of the hour. Well, that's a good one. Because, oh my God, Nanjiani back at the one, and he's doing an NFT. Oh, shut up. Dude, okay, listen. There's a lot of content to cover, but I have to go. I'm fucking tired. Yeah, that is Piss Pig Granddad on the latest episode of Fear and Malding. You guys should check that out. Someone in here, Mehmet, someone in here said, someone in my comments on Instagram said, just like the Taliban, you did not allow women to be in the studio, which was pretty fucking funny. And I wish I made that joke. I wish I made that joke because Liz was not in the studio. We had her Zoom call in. But there's a lot going on. Please see an actual MD doctor, not PhD if your back still hurts. Yes, of course, I am. I'm going to go see a doctor. I got 2 appointments. I'm going to go see my regular, like, doctor. And then afterwards, I'm going to get an MRI. And then after the MRI, I'm going to go to, like, a spine specialist. So it's happening. Don't worry. Canada election coverage when? Canada election coverage never, dude. MRIs are fun, they're not.
Lo-fi introduction, starting off the day.
Are you still able to work out? Not right now. Bro, I can't even walk. Last night I literally fucking like fell after the cupping. Like I was in so much pain I couldn't move at all that I actually fell. I beg you never to go to a chiro? No, of course not, dude. But yeah, no, it was the lidocaine patch that was working magically. And then when I took the lidocaine patch off, I realized only after I took it off that I realized it was working magically because I was in a lot of pain. And I thought that's why the lidocaine patch isn't working. And then I took the patch off and I was like, oh my God, I can't even fucking move. That's when I realized, like, oh shit, actually the patch was working very well. Like, I couldn't walk. I was walking to my car after the fucking PT session like I shit my pants, you know what I mean? I was duck walking to the car like I soiled my diapers. It is terrible. But I mean, it's gonna be all right. And it's really fucking annoying. I had to put a crutch next to my bed, like one of my old crutches from when I got knee surgery, so I can get up to pee at night. But you know, you manage. It is what it is. Feel me?
Sun is streaming. The sun is streaming. There he is again. The sun is streaming. The sun is streaming.
Anyway.
Reading live stream fail comments. Austin show chat vice. In all the ways the right wing pipeline.
Love you all.
Win online.
And tomorrow I shall return, as I always do. Okay? Bye.
Mass pandemic, months of streaming in your home. Total radicalization coming out to find the system you were taught to trust in was broken the whole time. All these daily streams, whether big or whether small, have helped me in so many find some meaning through it all. So there he is again, the sun is streaming. The sun is streaming. There he is again.